Hi, my name is Jasmine Abdul from 52. Today I'll be showing you how to make a water filter. The materials that you need are a water bottle, rocks, sand, activated charcoal, and cotton balls. The order that you need to put this in the water bottle is cotton ball, activated charcoal, then sand, now rocks. The rocks also stop large things as leaves and branches. Sand catches all the debris that the rocks didn't catch. The activated charcoal filters out all the things we can't see. The cotton balls keeps all the materials together. And the water is our homemade filter. My hypothesis is that we need all these materials to make your own at-home water filter. We are going to do 3 experiments to test out my hypothesis. For this experiment, we're going to take away these cotton balls. Now, cut open the water bottle. Take the top part of the water bottle and put it into the other side. Make sure it fits. Now we're going to take activated charcoal, open it up, that didn't work. For this experiment, we're not going to use the active charcoal. So we are going to cut off the water bottle top. Now we are going to stuff the cotton balls. I would use 2 or 3. I was going to use 3 because it is going to be more instead of 4. And make sure you have some of that on top so it can actually filter out. Now we put it on top like a funnel. Now we add our sand and our rocks. Let's add our sand. Let's add our rocks. Not too much. This is the water. Now we add cement. For this experiment, we're going to use all the materials. So, you know the deal. We have to cut open the water bottle. Take some cotton balls. Stuff one there. Pop it on. Activate charcoal. Sand. Rocks. this is the water. Let's pour it in. These are the 3 experiments that we did. This was it before. These are it after, except for this one. We needed little cotton balls to hold it in. If you didn't add that, then they would fall straight through. So that's why we didn't add any of that dirty water. This worked pretty well, and really well. The rocks held all the pine needles, all the branches, all the leaves, and the active charcoal, it like held it all the stuff, and I can't see anything either. This, it was good, but I can still, it's a little bit like browner than that, and I can still see some stuff there. Now, because we didn't really add that activated charcoal, so you can still see some stuff, and it's kind of visible, and it didn't like clean and filter very well. So I think my hypothesis was right. This is what mine, and those two
These are a few pictures of the unfiltered water and the completed experiments. This was fun to do at home in a few steps. Just follow the video, and you can also make your own water filter system. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button.